I'm Chasen Vanderig, recording a technology for my emerging tech class, and my first technology is Mathway.com. I chose Mathway because it can help you do math more efficiently, and it can get things done a lot faster if you just don't want to take the time to do it. To start, you get those questions in math you have to graph, so I'm just going to write one out real quick. You just type in your equation, and then you hit the blue arrow on the right and say you want to graph it. So you hit graph, and it'll show you all the steps that it takes to get there, where the vertex is and all of that, and it even gives you all the points and shows you what your graph should look like. This is obviously really useful because if you get your big math packets and you run out of time at home, you just don't have time to do it, you type it into Mathway, it'll give you all of the answers you need in a timely manner, and you can do it way faster than you would just be able to do it by yourself. Another way this is useful is just for a simple calculator. You just sitting at home and you're like, man, I don't know where my calculator is. You can type in simple math problems and it'll give you the answers, and that's all there is to it. This can be applied to the real world in a lot of situations. For instance, you just get math questions at your job. You just type them into Mathway, and it'll do them right for you.